Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into your BPI Express account. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And without any further ado, let's start the video. Now, to log into BPI Express account, basically the first step is you want to go to a search engine, any search engine. But right now I'm using Google Chrome, but you guys can use anything you want. And once you come over here, you want to search for BPI Express login. You want to search for it. Once you search for it, what you want to click on where it says BPI Online. You want to click on BPI Online, and it's going to take you to BPI's website. Now, once you're in this website, what you want to do is enter your username over here and enter your password. And after entering a username and password, you want to click on login, and you should basically be able to log into your BPI account. But for some reason, if you guys can't and it's showing you an error, then basically your username or your password is incorrect. So, fix that or double check if your username or password is incorrect. Sometimes both of them could be incorrect as well. Just make them correct, make sure those are correct, and click on login, and you should be able to log in. But let's say somehow you forget your password. You can always click on forget password, which is below over here, and reset your BPI account's password. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Now, what BPI is, for some people who don't know what BPI is, the full form of BPI is Bank of Philippines Iceland. This is over here. It also has its official Wikipedia. If you guys want to know more about it, you can search for BPI Express and go to its Wikipedia. But in short form, it's a Bank of Philippines, alright? So if you guys want to, know more about it, you can always visit its Wikipedia. And yeah, that's it for today. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And before I sign out, I want you guys to know, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel. So yeah, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye everybody.